Bawal mag-cellphone ng 12 years old below ha. Why? Yung frequency ng cellphone is almost the same with the frequency of the microwave. Actually, yung 5G, mas mataas pa sa frequency ng microwave. Nababago niya yung brain development ng mga bata. Doon na sa taas ng fear. Most of them, hindi na sila bumibili. Mga baby rattle, baby toys. But you can notice the behavior of children nowadays are different. Pag tinanggal mo yung gadget, they have this aggression because you can research digital devices is actually a digital cocaine. That's why napapago yung behavior nila. Yung parang microwave, di ba? So, parang niluluto mo slowly yung brain ng bata. Though hindi lang siya kasing intense ang microwave because you're in an open space unlike microwave na enclosed. That's why it can produce that heat. What's the best thing that parents can do? The only way to stimulate the brain is to move, to play. Oh, let them play. Yeah. Kailangan pawisan, yung mataya-taya, tumbang preso, di ba? Luksong baka, anong araw, ganyan, di ba? Ito yung fine motor skills. Pag ginadalo mo yung kamay mo, na-stimulate mo din yung brain, yung eye-hand coordination. So, yung baby mobile, why is it important? Pag nakita mo yung bata sa nusunod, you know there's a brain stimulation kasi nagpa-follow siya eh. Pag nagre-reach out siya sa toy, yun sa baby mobile, alam mo na, there's something stimulating. Yeah, usually kasi yung mga parents ngayon, mas madali kasi mag-play ng Cocomelon eh.